How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be talking about Ethereum, taking a look at some technical analysis, as well as diving into some major news articles here. It looks like the US government has just sanctioned a very large crypto service based on money laundering. It looks like billions of dollars worth of laundered crypto. So let's get right into that article. Crypto mixing service Tornado Cash has been blacklisted by US Treasury. The department barred its use by U.S. persons as a matter of national security because the North Korean hackers allegedly used the mixer to launder stolen crypto funds. The Treasury Department has banned all Americans from using decentralized crypto mixing service Tornado Cash. For those that don't know what crypto mixing service is, basically everyone puts all of their money into a pool and then it gets redistributed evenly or to their original amounts. This way, it's kind of like you kind of clean the money. So if somebody did something with their crypto that they weren't supposed to, like steal it, they can put it into a mixer like this. It'll like mix it around and then send it to random people, and you'll get back the same amount you had from other people's crypto. And it kind of cleans up your crypto so it can't be tracked back to you. There is a lot of concern, and it's one of the bigger things that the U.S. government is concerned about with cryptocurrency, and that is something that this article talks about. So let's continue. The Office of Foreign Assets Control, or OFAC, a watchdog agency tasked with preventing sanctions violation on Monday, added Tornado Cash to its specially designated nationals list, a running tally of blacklisted people, entities, and cryptocurrency addresses. As a result, all U.S. persons and entities are prohibited from interacting with Tornado Cash or any of the Ethereum wallet addresses tied to the protocol. Those who do may face criminal penalties. Tornado Cash has been the key tool for the Lazarus Group, a North Korean hacking group tied to the $625 million March hack of Axie Infinity's Ronin network, according to the Treasury Department. Blockchain analysis showed that tens of millions of dollars worth of crypto stolen from Ronin flowed through the Tornado Cash network, which is designed to obfuscate the source funds. OFAC previously sanctioned Blender.io, another mixing service that the Treasury Department alleged was using to launder proceeds from ransomware attacks, as well as about $20.5 million in crypto stolen from Ronin. Tornado Cash has been the go-to mixer for cyber criminals looking to launder the proceeds of crime, as well as helping to enable hackers, including those currently under U.S. sanctions, to launder the proceeds of their cyber crimes by covering up the origin and transfer of this illicit virtual currency, a senior department official said. Since its creation back in 2019, Tornado Cash has reportedly laundered more than $7 billion worth of virtual currency. So with that, it's really good news that Tornado Cash has been sanctioned. It sounds like a lot of money has been going to North Korea through the Lazarus Group's hacks, over $625 million most recently from the Axie Infinity Ronin hack. It's overall good news that this is getting under the control. I think as regulations come in, I think as more and more people are feeling safer and seeing that crypto is actually being regulated, I think we're going to see a lot more mass adoption, and I think that's really good overall. Short term, it is kind of a scary headline, but long term, I think it's going to be really good. Taking a look at the brand new metrics from Trade Confident, looking at Ethereum USD, this is always on the 1 day time frame here, so each of these candles will represent 1 day's worth of trading. Right now, we're actually looking very neutral. We're above the midline, showing that we're still in an uptrend, which is good. We are getting close to the resistance level right here. We don't quite have a sell signal, and we don't have any red bars down here, and we don't have any buy signals, obviously. So we're just kind of in neutral territory, kind of waiting for the market to play out. This is a downward facing candle. This is a bearish candle, so we are moving down a little bit. We'll see if this midline holds, though. So again, very neutral sentiment. There isn't really any pressure one way or the other at the moment. Taking a look at the Trade Confident indicators, this is Ethereum USD on the 4-hour time frame. We get a little bit of a clearer picture here. The trend exhaustion is nearing the bottom red sections. It's almost in the first red section, and price versus well money flow is in the middle again, almost exactly 50 actually. Look at that, almost exactly 50. This is again fairly neutral. We're in an ascending triangle pattern that is going to have to break out real quick. It did break out to the top side here, but fell back in to meet the original support level of this ascending support. Right now, we're still testing that. It does appear that we have slightly bullish sentiment from the trend exhaustion indicator here. Price versus well, money flow has ticked up, so we may see some money move back into the market. Any moves that do happen are going to be very small at the moment until we get some more big players in the market. Right here, we can even see how much volume is here. We did have a lot of selling pressure over the past couple of days, but we do have more buying pressure here. So we may, at most, I think we could see the highest price I think we could see is right around here at 1800, which is just the resistance level created by the most recent price action. If we dip down, I think the next target's going to be about 1,575 right here, just another key support level. We're right at a key support, so if it breaks, I think it would break to the $1,500 level. Thanks so much for watching the analysis. Now, if you do want to sign up yourself, you want to be able to do these analysis yourself and get access to all of Trade Confident's offerings, you're going to head over to tradeconfident.io, start trading with us right here, trading tutorial video. Links are in the description, so you don't have to come and find it on your own. Just go ahead and click that link and I'll bring you right here. What this is going to show you is, first of all, our trading scalping record. We are 10 for 10 trades here with 400% return over the S&P 500 in just 83 days. We're going to have some wins coming up here pretty soon, I'm hoping. So with that, make sure to grab that membership so you can be the first to know of any trade setups that come out and any trade wins. Once you check that out, you're going to watch our strategy video to see how we actually trade using these new metrics. You're going to grab your membership so you can actually access the membership and metrics along with all the other exciting benefits. After that, you're going to join the Telegram so you can stay updated on all the happenings at Trade Confident. In order to actually sign up, you'll want to head over to the pricing page right here. Scroll down, the full website access that includes both crypto charts and stock charts. That's 40 separate assets. And you're going to get access to the Telegram channel, masterclass courses, community chat, crypto trade calls, and live or inner circle Zoom coaching meetings every single month. So be sure to sign up. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.